Good afternoon. I am Dr. Juan Briones and I will present you the contributions of chemistry in medicine. Let me know that chemistry is an important element in other sciences. For example, to biology they can make good fertilizers. And probably you are asking you how? Well, it is too easy to explain. The biology understands the environment and knows what's better and how can it help. And by the other hand, chemistry gives the tools to create these products. But I won't talk about it. I will present you the contributions of two sciences in medicine. The biochemistry in human genetics. Here we have two sciences. The biology that understands the genetic code and the chemistry that can modify it. In other words, we can eliminate problems or genetic diseases, modifying it since the root. Also, we could improve the human and give him more time of life. Little by little, we have been learning more about it and advance each time more. We are now the possibility to be a human without problems, health problems, is near. That's all for me, classmates. Now, Karen Rodriguez will present you the applications of chemistry in food.
Although we are not aware, our daily interaction with millions of chemicals is undeniable. Basic substances to keep us alive as the oxygen we breathe, the water we drink, and all the natural or artificial foods we consume are a clear example of this. Foods are made up of various types of chemical compounds such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water that supply us with the energy needed to carry out a complex set of chemical reactions in the cells of a body. But how important is the chemistry in the food? It is fundamental, especially in its production. In agricultural production, chemists allow on the one hand to fertilizate crops. There are also those that protect them from pests and accelerate production. Although organic crops are not involved, agrochemicals, the principles of chemistry, are equally present in the procedures for them to come to fruition. In processed foods, chemistry is essential for flavor, consistency, and duration. It is a matter of seeing behind the packaging to realize all the chemicals present in the production of products.
Hello, I am Erika Estrada and I'm going to talk about the chemistry in the warfare. Chemicals have been used as tool of war for thousands of years. During the World War I, three substances were responsible for most chemical weapons, injuries, and deaths. These three substances were chlorine, phosgene, and mustard gas. Modern chemical weapons include the following types of agents. These are choking, blister, and nerve agents. The most important character of chemical weapons in World War I was Fritz Haber, who developed the weapons of chlorine and other poisonous gases. He is also called the father of chemical warfare.
My name is Ted, and I'm going to talk about chemistry and global warming. First, global warming is defined as a phenomenon that shows us a radical change in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and oceans. It is related with chemistry because it is caused by chemicals, fumes from the factories that reach the atmosphere, destroying it, by the gases of the cars and means of transport, and also by the waste and trash that the people throw. Global warming has a consequence climate change, more intense storms, heat waves, more rainfall, melting glaciers, and because of this, rise in sea level. For living things, ecosystems change and species die. Thanks to the studies of the chemistry, today we have sustainable technology that help us to take care of the environment, as well as methods of work for a friendly work with this one. But we are still very far from being able to save our planet, because for many people, money is more important than our planet. That's all my information, so let's continue with my other classmates.
Hello, my name is Fernando Cuellar Martinez, and I'm going to tell you 3 ways to stop the melting polar ice cap. The first one is save the energy. When you have the air conditioner off light, please turn it off to save the water and atmosphere. The second one is plant a tree. When you plant a tree, you are producing oxygen, and the oxygen battles the CO2 and get an atmosphere more clean. The third one is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycle all the things or the pet that you have in the house, reduce all the water that you are using, and reuse it in the plants, for an example. That is all. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
In this activity, we learned the different contributions of importance of chemistry in the different contexts of daily life, and we conclude that chemistry is fundamental for a good quality of life because thanks to it, we get what we need to overcome. In many parts apply chemistry, and it is very important to us more than anything for our health. Chemistry is related to most things like food, work, medicine, war, and concluding, chemistry is very important in human life because without it, scientists will not find a medicine for such diseases.